God. Look at how much water there is here. Alright, look. Look here. That's how much water there is here. Holy jeez. Look at this. My lord. Look at this. You're like, dude, holy shit. Look at all this foam. Comes from just a short period of rain. I mean, I made it to the store over there to get on a roof just in time before all the rain came. And I didn't record the rain, but crap, it was an insane amount. This may not look like much to you, but it's quite a little bit to me. It's just like, damn. Oh. Not quite some, but a lot. It's just not here. Holy shoot. Yo, guys, look. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Look at how big it is. Shit.